Hello, welcome to our channel. As you know, the PC World, one of the leading retail chain in UK, and they are now offering live video sale chat. It can be accessed through either through the laptop or through an Android or Apple mobile. Today I'm using an Android phone and I will be showing to you how to get down to the live video chat. Okay, open the browser and navigate through the URL www.caris.co.uk. The website is open. Just scroll down a little bit and you will find a icon, a tech expert. Just click on it. So now the live shop page is open. Just you navigate through down the page, you will find the FAQs related to the video service offered by the Currys. First of all, one of the major question arise: will I be seen on the call? And no, this is a one-way video call, and they can't see you, only hear you, and you just need to share the details only when you are buying through the shop live. You can connect to them for multiple advices regarding the tech and various other products at Currys. When all the things are clear to you and you want to connect to the live agent, you just need to click on the pop-up on the right below of the screen where it is written connect to a live agent. And when you click on the live agent, a dialog box appears which tell you to connect to either through the video agent or to web chat. The web chat is available after you have purchased the product. Just click on the live video chat and then allow the mic and give all the other requirements to the page, and bingo, you now connected to the live sales agent who can only hear you and can't see you, and you can see him or her. It's a very good initiative taken by the Currys to help its customers to buy a best product in their portfolio. And if you want a direct link to connect to the live video agent, there is a link mentioned in the description of this video. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you have a nice day.